Hello friends, let's see what is SDLC. SDLC means Software Development Lifecycle. It has 5 phases to build a software application. First one is the requirement gathering phase, second one is the design phase, third one is the code phase, fourth one is the quality assurance phase, fifth one is the maintenance phase. Before building an application, we need to first follow the step of procedure to build it. First one is gather the requirement. What you want, how the functionality work is in the application. For that, first you have to collect the requirements, that is requirement phase. Once you collect the requirement, you have to design the application, how the application will look like, that is design phase. Once you design it in particular language, database and UI language, you have to code the application. That programming language phase is known as the code phase. Once you done your coding, it has to be tested by the QA engineers. In that phase, you have to compare with whether all the requirements are filled, everything by the customer requirements. In that, you have to test it all the requirements without any bug free. Then once you tested the application, once it meets the customer requirement, you have to push it to the maintenance phase, production phase. Once it push it to the customer, it will be implemented. It has 5 steps. There are 2 types of software application. One is the service oriented architecture, another one is the product oriented architecture. Service oriented architecture is only for particular customer, and product oriented architecture is for a group of customers. These are 2 types of software application models.